Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this next pair of shoes to go ahead and tell you all about them. And I got to tell you, my wife and daughter love these things. These are some kind of open-toed, sandally, high heel sort of shoes. They're just kind of fun summer shoes. They're the sort of things you'd wear out to a picnic, even to a party. Maybe you're going to go for shopping for the day. These are the sorts of shoes you'd wear, again, especially in the summertime, because they are open-toed and they're just slip-ons. So a couple quick things about them. You can see right off the bat, that's a nice big chunky heel. That adds a good 1 inch to your height here. You can see the back is probably about an inch and a half, 2 inches. The soles themselves are nice and flat, nice and smooth there. It's nothing out of the ordinary. The styling itself is actually pretty classic. I kind of like it. It is a black leather, as you can see, nice big black leather. It's comfortable as well. They are very padded. Again, my wife and daughter only worn these for a little bit, but they both said, "Hey, yeah, these are pretty comfortable." They would wear them. My daughter actually just kind of walked around the house with them for a little bit. She just liked being that much taller. She liked the height of the shoes. But you can see they look really great. They are comfortable. They are kind of a classic look. You see this look a lot. And so if you're really kind of looking for some classic shoes to kind of fill out your collection, or you're going to need some stuff for the summer to kind of show off that pedicure, these are the shoes for you. They look really nice. They are comfortable. They're a beautiful classic thing. Dream Pairs is a really good brand. My wife and daughter have a couple pairs of their shoes. I have a couple pairs of their shoes. They're all very good. I would highly recommend these.